You actually see a lot of venture capital funds as well as potential investors looking to find the right social impact opportunities. What you don't see are these incubators that are really focused on getting the social for profit businesses off the ground and make them investable.
And that's where Seed comes in. We've designed this curriculum really carefully so that these entrepreneurs are building their businesses on very sound foundations.
That's why it's important to ask these questions. These questions will save you money. It's better to ask them now than later.
And the purpose of this particular workshop is, please, we encourage you to think ridiculous ideas, ideas which you think are not going to work.
It could be the moment of conception, right?
Rangoli.
Some of them are conceptual, so they are conceptual ones. This looks like an opportunity to me. It looks like
how you measure the impact, because that always opens up really interesting avenues of thinking about how you make the impact in the first place. We're going to look at behavior, because impact comes from people doing something differently. And this is the fundamental question we want to ask.
Hi, I'm Kavita from R2. The mentors are extremely hands-on and work with us really regularly and give us very valuable advice on how to grow and how to build our businesses. R2 aims to empower social enterprises through intuitive technology. We attended the Seed program this past year and it far exceeded our expectations. The mentorship was extremely hands-on, thoughtful and very high touch, and it really helped us get our business to the next level. I would definitely recommend the program to early stage social enterprises that are looking to get to the next level. The reason we decided to attend the Seed program was because we really wanted to get investor ready. And but the program definitely allowed us to do just that. We in fact have started discussions with a couple of investors and are really hoping to close our first round by the end of this year. The Seed program really helped us critically think at our business model, take a step back, really break through every piece of it and refine it, find holes in it, find gaps in it and improve it. So one of the things that we found, going into the Seed program was that we had extremely large sales cycles, and that's one thing that we really wanted help with and help to think through and refine. And with our mentor, we sat down and we really broke that into pieces, and we were able to find a way to reduce the initial part of our sales cycle from about a couple of months to less than a week, which is great.
Hi, I'm Rangan, co-founder and CEO of Microgram. Microgram is an online microcredit marketplace. Seed program has exceeded all our expectations. Secondly, the business model canvas followed by the lean experiment helped us in refining the messaging that we are to give to our customers, especially the investor community. In this particular case, some of the advice from our mentors helped us in building some of the relationships with the wealth advisory firms. And the impact of this being, we have been able to sign up with 2 large wealth advisory firms, and the amount that we will be able to raise during this year will be close to what we have done over the past 2.5 years.